Laptops didn't suddenly become useless. Students just realized they don't actually need one for most schoolwork. When your entire academic life is notes, PDFs, browser tabs, assignments, and online lectures, carrying a heavy laptop starts feeling unnecessary. That's why tablets quietly took over. These are the top 5 tablets students are choosing instead of laptops, ranked from makes sense to why are you still carrying a laptop. Starting at number 5, the Lenovo Tab P12 Pro is what a lot of students land on when they want something affordable that still feels capable. It doesn't scream power, but it covers everything most students actually do. The 12.6-inch AMOLED display runs at 2560 by 1600 with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which already puts it ahead of many student laptops. Reading textbooks, scrolling through long PDFs, or reviewing slides feels smooth and easy on the eyes. It runs on the Snapdragon 870 with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM, and while that doesn't sound exciting, it's more than enough for everyday student multitasking. You can keep docs open, jump between research tabs, watch lectures, and listen to music without the tablet heating up or slowing down. The 10,200 mAh battery easily gets through a full day of classes and studying, and because there are no fans, it stays silent the entire time. Once you attach the keyboard, it becomes a solid typing machine for essays, and the pen support makes handwritten notes and annotations practical. For students who just want something reliable and lightweight, this tablet replaces a basic laptop without much effort. At number 4 is the Surface Go 4, and this one exists for a very specific type of student. If you need real Windows software, this is where tablets start to make laptops uncomfortable. It runs full Windows 11, not a limited mobile version, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Chrome, and Zoom work exactly the way you expect. The 10.5-inch Pixel Sense display has a 1920 by 1280 resolution with a 3:2 aspect ratio, which is surprisingly good for writing papers and reading documents. Inside, it uses an Intel N200 processor with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It's not fast in a flashy way, but it feels smoother than many cheap laptops because it wakes instantly, stays cool, and doesn't sound like it's struggling. What students like most is flexibility. With the keyboard attached, it works like a mini laptop. Fold the keyboard back, and it becomes a tablet for note-taking with a pen. Battery life usually lasts a school day, and that reliability matters more than raw performance. For students stuck needing Windows, this is often the cleanest way to avoid carrying a traditional laptop. Coming in at number 3 is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, which is where tablets stop feeling like compromises. The 12.4-inch AMOLED display runs at 2800 by 1752 with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it gives you plenty of space to work comfortably without being oversized. Everything looks sharp, smooth, and far better than the screens on most student laptops. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, which is more than enough for heavy multitasking. You can run split-screen apps, jump between notes and lectures, and keep multiple tasks going without slowdown. Samsung DeX is a big reason students choose this tablet. Once you connect a keyboard and mouse, it switches into a desktop-style interface that feels familiar to laptop users. The S Pen is included, not sold separately, and it's excellent for handwritten notes, diagrams, and annotations. Battery life easily lasts all day, and the tablet stays cool and silent the entire time. For many students, this is the point where buying a laptop starts feeling optional. At number 2 is the tablet students don't want to admit makes sense until they use it. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch has a Liquid Retina XDR display at 2732 by 2048 with 120 Hz ProMotion, and it's one of the best screens you can study on. Text is incredibly sharp, scrolling feels effortless, and everything looks clean and polished. The M4 chip inside is complete overkill for student work, which is exactly why it works so well. Essays, research, creative projects, and multitasking all happen without hesitation. With the Magic Keyboard attached, it becomes a very convincing laptop replacement for typing. With the Apple Pencil, handwritten notes and annotations feel natural and precise.
Battery life sits around 10 to 12 hours of mixed use, which realistically means a full day of classes and studying. Yes, it's expensive, and no, not every student needs it, but for students who want one device that handles everything smoothly, this replaces a laptop without feeling like a downgrade.
At number 1 is the tablet that makes the whole laptop debate uncomfortable. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra doesn't feel like a tablet trying to be productive. It feels like a laptop that forgot it needs fans. The 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display runs at 2960 by 1848 with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it's larger and better than most laptop screens students are using. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options up to 1 terabyte, plus micro SD expansion. Multitasking is effortless, and the tablet stays cool no matter what you throw at it. Samsung DeX turns it into a proper desktop-style experience with Windows, drag and drop, and full multitasking once you connect the keyboard and mouse. The S Pen comes included and is excellent for notes, diagrams, and annotations. The 11,200 mAh battery easily lasts a full heavy-use day. No fan noise, no heat, no performance drops. For students whose work lives is entirely online, this tablet genuinely replaces a laptop without compromise. Final take. This isn't about tablets being trendy. It's about students choosing tools that actually fit their workload. If your school life is documents, research, notes, and lectures, these tablets already do that better than most entry-level laptops. At this point, carrying a traditional laptop is often just a habit, not necessity.